Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Puka, go get him. Not so much.
It's not you. If it was you, that's one thing.
You don't go running out for Dad?
Nope. Nope. Come on, Ken. Probably check in tomorrow. It might be too late by the time I get to Gramps. Okay.
CJ's got
almost 11 p.m. So.
Okay.
CJ's got an interview for a scholarship. Bye.
Is that your water bottle?
No, that's mine.
I still need to get mine from the car.
Careful driving.
I will.
Come on.
Enjoy your time.
You will. We'll be good.
Thank you.
Oh, actually, when you leave, stop at the barn. I got 2 bags of grain in the trunk.
Oh,
I just remembered.
always farming.
Always something.
Bye. We didn't film it, but there was a dust storm here because how fast was the wind?
It was gusting to 80. Some areas were over 100. Not here, but
Yeah. And so that was yesterday. We had this insane windstorm. We brought the horses in early, and the outside horses, it was a warm wind though. So the outside horses they were either in the shelter or behind the shelter, depending on which way the wind was going.
it was still 25 degrees yesterday. It was
Yeah.
just
Really windy. But anyway, the house is now covered in smut. Like all the windows are.
It rained, but there was so much dust in the air that it was actually like a dirt rain that fell. Because the rain picked up all the dust in the air, and now everything's covered in this film of dirt.
Yeah. And so anyway, I'm going to go ride before we go, and Justin is getting on an airplane. So I'm glad, like, by the time tonight rolls around,
That's 10 hours from now.
Yeah, the wind should settle down by then.
A little bit.
But yesterday was the worst. I'm really glad you weren't getting on an airplane yesterday.
But it would have been a tailwind. I would have made it there in 20 minutes.
Yeah, that doesn't make me feel good.
What do you mean? It's just pushing you all the way there. Save on fuel.
I'm not the biggest fan of flying, but everybody in the family seems to love it. And in fact, our son says he wants to be a commercial pilot. I'm like, oh, good. Pick a career where your mom's terrified of it.
I love flying.
Do you?
It's fun. I enjoy it. I don't like the people that I fly with.
Me?
No. That's not what I meant. The general population. I'd like to have my own plane.
Oh, just.
So I could fly alone.
We made CJ change.
It's an informal interview. It doesn't matter what I mean.
Well, yes and no. Uh-huh.
I was wearing was fine.
Now what you're wearing is better.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Maybe if I
Look at
zoom
here.
in.
Look at the whole side of the house is just dirt. Just dirt.
You can't even see. How are we going to clean these really high up windows?
The rain's gonna have
Yeah.
That's the running commentary.
Well, for the last forever long that I've lived here, it's always rained May long.
It's a good thing I screwed all these on last weekend. They'd be gone.
No kidding. And I'm really happy that you fixed this one. That looks way better. Justin, I think it was maybe like a couple weeks after he moved in, he hit it with the skid steer and...
No, the ladder. When we were
Oh, the ladder.
up in the attic,
Right.
measuring the insulation, then the ladder fell.
Right. Well, I think it's a microphone day if the wind is going to be like this. I'll be back.
I gotta go finish stalls so I can.
Okay, right, because we're leaving here at 11.
I'd like to.
Okay. this little monster decided to get me all crazy. She started going back outside, and then she left for a day and a half. So like sometimes she'll stay out all night, like that's not new for her. But then she didn't decide to come back right away, which just had me so terrified. So you're kind of banned from going outside for a little bit until we know for sure that you're better. Bellers. Also, let's just take a moment. Okay, that right there. The dust that was outside, anytime we opened the door yesterday, it just brought more and more dust in. And I kid you not, we dust all the time. I'm sure you've seen it in the vlogs how often we clean, and it looks like we don't ever clean. Ay, something about living in the country. Better. Even with the wind muff on this microphone, I doubt it's going to cover the sound of wind when we walk outside. Oh, I haven't cleaned it. Maybe this will do after I ride. I think the wind is making everybody tired. You look so tired. What's this silly moon? Okay, I'm ready. Thank you. My gloves. You're very affectionate today. Yes, you are. And cuddles. At least it's warm out.
Yeah.
Is it a salad?
Oh, it's
Here, I'll give that to you.
more than that.
Yes, sir.
All right, hold on tight. Oh, there's a barrel flipped over. There's a bucket in the back.
The wind seems to have calmed down for this moment.
Downspouts everywhere. At least they stayed home.
Yeah,
They didn't go to
over the creek.
They didn't go to the neighbors.
Yeah, this is actually not too bad.
Straight out of the Westfall. Look at the flag.
Thank you very much.
Set.
Yeah, I'm good. I just needed help at the door. He's so affectionate today.
Hello.
He's kind of tired, I think. He had to listen to that wind all night.
Well, I was right at his door too, so.
Yeah,
It would have been swirling and rattling for hours in there.
right. Okay, monkey. Okay, thank you. Whatever. You're like, you do what you've got to get done. I don't love the fact that Justin's getting on an airplane today. I'm sure it's fine. It's not my favorite thing in the world. All right. Come on, beautiful. Justin and I are gonna fix that plastic at that far end. It was a window, kind of. My dad just decided to drill a hole in the wall when he owned this property, but then when we owned it, we closed it in, And then we thought, okay, maybe we'll use it as a window like later on, and we never did, so we're just gonna close it up. Oh boy. The plastic is actually moving right now, and he's just being such a good boy. You're probably used to it by now. Yeah, that was a good one. Good kid. Do you know what? This is great that I'm practicing halts right next to that plastic that's blowing around. So I have a wind muff on my microphone, so you probably can't hear it, but it is, sounds like plastic moving. And I don't think the camera is picking it up because it is super far away, but that plastic is like doing this. So this is just such fantastic training because you can get a lot done just going slow and not doing too much. Good boy. So I'm very conscious, good boy, of he's 5. And here's the thing that can happen with young horses is they don't react and they don't react, and you can go buy something like 50 times, but then they will react. Okay, maybe the camera's picking up on that wind. There you go. And it's like they reach a point like they're filling up a bucket, and once it overflows, then they'll react. Good boy. See, now he's like looking and paying attention. So scratch his neck. And the horse gets like neck scratches right here. I think it releases endorphins in their body. Or at least positive brain chemicals, but I can't remember which ones it is. I think it's endorphins. Good boy. Okay, so he's starting to reach where that's all he can take. Good boy. All right, so I'm going to do a little bit more here. Settling him back down. And then, there we go. And then ending it on like the best positive note possible. There we go. Okay. Oh boy, his heart rate's starting to change a little. That's my baby. Take my feet out of stirrups. When I say we had a windstorm, I don't think you're picturing how bad it was. It was brutal. So I'm just gonna breathe really, really deep. And think about nothing at all. And I'm gonna put a timer on my watch for 2 minutes. We'll see if it can just like change his heart rate a bit. Because again, you guys can't see it on camera, but I was slowly feeling his heart rate just go up and up and up. That was 3 minutes. I didn't pop off or anything because I was scared. I popped off because I wouldn't get greedy. Because I have been around people who've gotten greedy with their horse. Let me flip the camera. I've been around people who've gotten greedy with their horse, especially young ones. And then by the time they're 6, they don't have a brain left. So this is because I used up so much mental power on him yesterday that it's like he needs an easy day. But what I'll do is I'll do some like little, you itchy? I'll do some meditation stuff with him next to that plastic. Whoops, should learn how to film. Next to that plastic that's moving around. And we're just gonna like hang out and working on controlling our heart rate. So then when we get to a situation where at a horse show where we do have to ride through it, we will have that muscle memory of how to slow your heart rate down. It's like a skill, actually. Horses will mimic everything that you do. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're very silly. Let me see if I can get it at an angle that you can see how much it's moving around. He's so chill. He's like, what a good boy. You are learning all the things. And the lights are flicking because the wind is horrible. Alright, here's another 5 minutes. And here's a little trick for you. If you're gonna do this, don't stand in their flight path. So like if he wants to go, he's gonna go that way. But like I would stand him close to that and me on this side because you just mow me over if you want to get away from it. And this type of training doesn't feel, what's the word? Greedy. The riding part did because of yesterday. But this just feels like telling him what kind of heart rhythm to be in. I don't know if you guys know about mirror neurons. Look them up, but like it's what empathy comes from. And so horses have 10 times more mirror neurons than humans do. And so they can mimic us that much more. Okay, this is how windy it is. That's all dust. Plants haven't had a chance to grow yet, so all the topsoil's blowing away. Hello. We were just leaving the mall and we actually forgot that we had to go get our cell phone all done up. So it's a good thing that a reminder came in just as we were about to leave. Get the dust off the windshield.
Everything's brown.
Everything's brown.
Everything's very brown.
We went to the mall and Justin's about to get hit in the parking lot. We went to the mall and had something to eat. Justin got a haircut, and then we were essentially just walking around the mall while movies downloaded because we forgot that this phone that Justin's taking does not have anything to watch on it, so he would have been a little bored on the plane. And we've watched people on the plane make that mistake before. So, and then we got earbuds, but then realized that like this phone doesn't have a plug-in. So then it's a good thing we checked that out. So it's all about preparing to go on a flight. Where are we? Why is it so bouncy?
It's the speed bumps.
Okay. Anyway, now we're off to check out the new Costco because this is how old we are. I don't know. Who's like, let's go check out the new Costco. It's a business Costco. So we want to go check out what a business Costco looks like.
Would you like to do something a little bit more adventurous?
Yeah, no, I'm good. Justin found what he wanted. My goodness. Okay, I think our house needs one of those. What the heck is that? Oh, it's beautiful. Holy heck. I'm not quite sure if that's big enough. What kind of store did we walk into? Holy mackerel. Okay, check out these flowers up ahead. Those look amazing. What did we walk into? Hello. And then CJ and Jaden, if you're watching this later. Your favorite. Flowers.
Boom chicka pop.
Boom chicka pop. Okay, there's not much more Canadian than this. It's poutine sauce, but check out how big the container is.
Some nacho cheese sauce.
Nothing but preservatives.
Butter chicken.
Really? Do you know, if you had a huge barbecue, it makes sense.
Sure.
What's that?
Skewers. Olives, hot pepper,
Okay,
green bean.
that's coming with us. But check this out. That's a lot of relish.
Imagine.
Okay, I think we get 2 of these.
Yeah, me too. And then
Oh!
just one regular pickle.
Sure. These are heavy.
Yeah, it's 5 liters.
Check out the pickles Justin found. Those are pickles. Here. I'm gonna drop that. Thank you.
But yeah, and the tomato juice and drop it in the
Mayonnaise. Do you think it would go over the rubber?
Oh, yeah.
So our feed cart really owes us nothing. And I think the tires are kind of done.
Plastic, so
That's an interesting concept. It would give that area a lot more room.
this is so much easier to handle. Something to think about.
Okay. Ooh. So you guys want to know why we built our new house? It was so that the kitchen would be attached to the main area, because Justin loves to cook. Me, not so much. But, oh, sweetheart. That's really nice.
That's for a pizza oven.
I know. We could pretend. I've never been in a store like this before. Are these indoor plants? Yeah. Those ones are. Those ones down there. Well,
Those ones you need to bring inside. The spike in the middle, you have to bring that inside.
oh, okay. Oh, there's more carts.
These are 3 levels.
I don't think that's gonna work. I think the 2 level makes more sense. Yeah, because the 3 level you can't really access everything. You would buy that just because.
Yeah.
Okay, these aren't indoor trees, right?
This is a weeping willow.
How tall?
This one probably
Zone 3.
30 feet.
Oh, it's really pretty.
Plant it near the pond.
Oh, that would look gorgeous next to the pond. Those are all different types.
Yeah. A few different ones.
Ming cherry.
Maple tree, there's a
Oh, look at this.
ash tree.
Wait,
Yeah, Mancana ash. Those are super nice. They're almost like a perfect globe shape.
Kate, are these what we can't have Manitoba maples, right? Because
Right.
horses can't be near them. This is exciting. Oh, does this smell nice?
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. That might have to come home. Oh, unless it can't be near cats. Oh my goodness. They're serious here. It's like entering a different world. That's a lot of cheese. Oh. Wait, that can't be the right price. Justin, come here for a sec. Price per kilogram. Butter. Look what I found. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of these things. Okay, we're gonna come back because I have to unload this when I get to the house. That's a little bit ridiculous. That weighs a ton. Do you bake this at home? Ready in less than 10 minutes. Okay, that's coming home.
There's 32 in there.
Oh my god.
We have room in there.
Okay, get it. Seriously. What do you just put it in the oven?
Heat oven to 400. Price for 8 minutes.
That's insanely exciting.
Just put it on. It'll fit.
You think so?
But if you heat up one of these between the four of us for dinner, we'll go through it. 'Cause
Or-
it'll probably taste good.
Or do we do these? Because then we can heat up two?
No, there's you heat up two or you heat up one.
Oh, dilemma. Whoa, those are... Wow. It's ridiculous. If you ever want to have the most amount of fun, you've got to go to a Costco, a business Costco.
That's the kind of freezer stuff.
That one?
Well, sure, 'cause you can see what's in there. Come on.
Work with me! Oh, don't turn to your left. But you know what? You were saying that the off gases weren't great.
Well, that's what they're saying. But the amount of emissions even when they're not on, just from the pilot light, is higher than originally thought. And there's
Well-
even some shifts that are switching to electric. There used to be gas or nothing, but there's
Right.
even shifts that are saying no, there's nothing wrong with electric.
And you know what? I like our stove. I think our air fryer's good. Do you guys want to know what we came in here for? Toilet paper and milk. So that looks about right for how we're leaving. And if you own a barn, see these yellow cloths? You have to get those. Justin's about to get an airplane, so it's ginger to the defense. Oh my goodness.
We actually like these anyway.
Yeah.
They're lemon, ginger, what else?
I don't know, but
Garlic or something.
they're incredibly tasty. They've got some kick to them. But just before you get in an airplane, this is what you need. Yeah, well, that's what I'm serving for dinner tonight. The boys will be like, what's with the baguettes? Like, nothing, we're just eating baguettes and bread.
Well, they'll be happy with chicken wings in the air fryer and then a fresh baguette. You'll be all set.
There you go. I'm not so thrilled about you flying in this wind.
It's only wind. It's a west wind, so it's going to push me all the way to Ontario.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess I could go home. I have to pick up Jaden at football at 6:30. And it's 4:30 right now. You know what? I should go home because we have some frozen food in here.
Okay, leave me some battery power.
Aw. I left Justin no battery powder on this phone.
You're still
All
not,
right.
You're still not leaving me any battery power.
Okay, he's off for the weekend.
Bye.
Bye.
Doing?
Reading the paper?
What you doing?
Oh no, don't do that.
Sun's out. Sun's out. Birds are out. I gotta show for tomorrow.
And sure when the hot dogs are on it.
There's the hot dog roller,
And cheese.
and then this is for your hot cheese. But there's no cheese in it yet. And the sun's out.
Composting out.
Yeah, there's a leak under the sink.
Oh, where's the pail? I thought that was fixed. How bad is it?
It's right there in front of you.
Check that.
Here it is. The leak under the sink. Good morning.
Who are you talking?
I'm talking to everybody. I'm talking to the ladies and gentlemen at home.
Good morning.
I'm letting them know why I'm here. It's, what day is it? It's Sunday, May 17th. I'm in Port Colborne, Ontario.
In case pulling your head out of the fridge as usual.
I'm here by myself. The rest of the family is at home. I flew in here on late Friday. Today is now Sunday. And the reason I'm here, I will turn the camera around. That's that guy over there. Hello.
Hi.
He is turning 80 tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we are busy getting an enormous amount of food ready for his big party. So we have, he's doing he's doing things. Meatballs with all kinds of wonderful things. There are hamburgers. The soap is not included. Pulled pork that we are stabbing with a knife. Because why wouldn't you stir with a bread knife? And if we go over here, there's a chicken wing dip.
Speaking about dips,
Speaking of dips, there's cheese and crackers and hot dogs. 5-ton bowl of macaroni salad. Hot pretzels, hot crackers.
And walk this way.
And then we gotta go this way. Into the back room. And the thing that I'm most excited for is Uncle Randy, my stepbro, one of them, has a hot dog roller. And a hot cheese dispenser that apparently you use a 5-gallon jug of nacho cheese. But how exciting is that?
And that's for chili cheese dogs.
Chili cheese dogs. And if we go out here,
Here we have a
oh, we have more. Oh yeah.
chili for the chili cheese dogs.
Uncle Steve brought some chili. We have beverages, and it's a sunny day. If we come outside, you'll see all of that is for all of his friends. Say hello, everybody. No, they're not here yet. They will be arriving shortly. He's cleaning his barbecue. He has his flowers. And we just got back from the store. We had to get ice because my other stepbro, Uncle Gord, is nowhere to be found, and he was supposed to be bringing his ice maker. But that's okay, I'm not going to call him out on video.
Okay.
And in a little while, I have to go pick up my sister.
And here's me.
And yeah, there she's spinning around. Kay is getting everything ready for all the festivities. Dad, I was just showing everybody what we're doing.
yeah.
And I came outside and said, and here are all his friends for his birthday celebration. I'm going to go pick up sister, who is just as much of a social butterfly as you are. So she'll be thrilled that I'm picking her up early, and she's going to have to spend the entire day with us. And then we'll pick this up later when there are actual people around that I can introduce you to. Turn on the roller. Oh yes.
Happy birthday, old man.
That's the first thing we kind of have is at her place. Yeah.
And that's the food.
Huh?
Chili, hot dogs, nachos, meatballs,
Fourth Avenue.
pulled pork, and then for some bizarre reason, Gord is making sausages and burgers. Because we have a room full of 80-year-old people to feed, and we know how much they eat.
That's what I said to her.
I have to blow it out.
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, you saw that? Greenhouse day. With Mimere.
Good morning, Nadine.
Hello everyone. This is for all the ladies and gentlemen back home. You can see what we're up to. We're gonna look at plants today. Those are nice.
Colorful.
Colorful things and green things.
Yeah.
And a cat.
I'm gonna get a Boston fern a little later.
Later?
Yeah, because they have the shade. So,
Yeah.
So once the tree is filled in,
Oh yeah.
then it'll be shaded where I want to put it.
In the back.
Pop it to the side, maybe.
Well, look at all this wonderful stuff. Can't see the forest for the trees.
No, I said, you don't have to drive it. He wants to be captain of the ship.
You can't see the forest for the trees.
Oh, there he is.
My goodness, look at all this wonderful stuff.
Wow. Yeah, this is too much. This is almost too much.
Look at it, it's just all of it. And it just goes on. This is what they say, everything, everywhere, all at once.
They're all very, very lovely. My hibiscus. I don't
Hibiscus,
have any hibiscus in
pinks, reds, orange. More flowers. More flowers. More flowers. We haven't even scratched the surface.
No, look, I mean, look at
Hanging,
how far this goes down that way.
hanging succulents. More. Look at. Just keeps going. I know. It just look at.
There's just too much to pick from.
I know. How do you pick when you want all of it?
You can walk down and take a video of that.
There's more.
We're usually in this house.
Japanese maples. Beautiful red. Look at those leaves. Another one. Just gorgeous.
This one? Well, this one's orange.
Big cedars.
I could tell him if he's going
Blue spruce. Over there, cherries, plums, pears, peaches, cherries, more cedars, and some funky little topiaries, and some weepers. Oh yeah.
But there's so many. Hello again.
Hello, stop number 2.
Yep. This is
Another greenhouse. It was 5 minutes away from the previous one because, well, we're in Niagara
That's right.
and they're everywhere. You just have to pass the apple orchards and the pear and the peach orchards to get to them, but
It's too bad
they're
that
there.
the blooms have already come off the trees and the fruit is already growing. Otherwise, we could have gone by
Oh dear.
and taken pictures of the orchards in bloom.
Oh gosh, I don't know if I would have been able to handle that. I would have had to pack up and move back home. All right, everyone, grab your horses, grab your saddle. We're relocating.
Yeah.
I kid. All right, we're gonna go shopping. We have flowers. If it were me, I might fill the van up a little more, but you know, Mom doesn't have 60 acres that she has to try and fill up.